If your browser on a Mac is slow or keeps freezing, this video explains why and how to fix it. A slow browser can have many causes, and most of them are easy to solve. Let's go step by step. An outdated browser can slow down your Mac. Let's fix it by updating it to the latest version. Safari updates come with macOS updates, so let's check for one. Go to the Apple menu, System Settings. Click General, Software Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Next, update Google Chrome. Open Chrome menu, Settings. Scroll to the About Chrome section. Wait for the automatic update. Click Relaunch. If you want to avoid switching between different settings, you can use App Cleaner and Uninstaller to manage browser updates in one place. Just launch the app, switch to the Updates tab, and click Update for your browser. It's a quick way to keep your browser secure, stable, and fast. Your browser saves cache and cookies to load sites faster, but over time, they accumulate and slow things down. Here's how to clear the Safari cache. Open Safari. Settings from the menu bar. Go to the Advanced tab and enable Show Features for web developers. In the Application menu, go to Develop, Empty Caches, Restart Safari. How to clear Chrome cache. In Chrome, open the menu, delete browsing data, select the time range, choose Cache, Cookies, and History. Click Delete from this device, relaunch Chrome. To clear cache across all browsers at once, open the app, select your browser, switch to Expert mode, tick caches, click Remove. Extensions are useful, but too many can drain resources. Disabling extensions in Safari. Open the browser, Safari menu, Settings, Extensions, uncheck to disable, or click Uninstall to remove completely. If prompted, choose Show in Finder and move to Trash. Disabling extensions in Chrome. Open Chrome, Menu, Extensions, Manage Extensions, toggle off or click Remove for any you rarely use. If your browser is still slow after cleaning, a full reset clears settings, cache, and hidden clutter. To reset your browser using App Cleaner and Uninstaller, open the app, right-click your browser, choose Reset Application, and then confirm the reset. If nothing helps, you can always uninstall and reinstall the browser to start fresh. For updates, cleanup, extension control, and resets, App Cleaner and Uninstaller by Nectony handles it all in just a few clicks, keeping your Mac fast and clutter-free.